Hi, this is attorney David Ienna from Fairmax Law. At Fairmax Law, we understand that the word bankruptcy often carries a heavy stigma, but what if we told you that bankruptcy could be your ticket to a brighter, more stable financial future? Life can be unpredictable. Medical bills, job loss, or unexpected expenses can quickly spiral out of control, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and helpless. Filing for bankruptcy isn't about failure, it's about finding a solution. It's about taking control of your financial situation and paving the way for a new beginning. There are several hidden benefits to filing for bankruptcy. First and foremost, it provides immediate relief from creditors. Once you file, an automatic stay goes into effect, halting all collection activities, wage garnishments, and foreclosure actions. This means you can finally breathe easier, knowing that the harassing phone calls and threatening letters will stop. Secondly, bankruptcy can actually help you rebuild your credit. While it may seem counterintuitive, many people find that their credit scores begin to improve within a year of filing. With proper financial management, you can start to see positive changes sooner than you think. Most importantly, bankruptcy offers a fresh start. It wipes the slate clean, allowing you to focus on the future rather than being burdened by past financial mistakes. At Fairmax Law, we're here to guide you through the process with compassion and expertise. We believe everyone deserves a second chance, and we're dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom. Remember, bankruptcy isn't an end, it's a new beginning. Contact Fairmax Law today to learn more about how we can help you reclaim your financial future.